let's take a look at how we can make payments to our supplier. Once the invoice has been created and confirmed, and received as well, you then go to administration, go to request payment and pay supplier. From there you input the supplier's name and select the supplier. The amount in which you owe the supplier is going to be provided for you in this section. And then you go ahead to make payments by inputting the amount you are paying the supplier. Say I'm paying the supplier based on agreement 5,000 for now. Then you put in the amount in words as well. Then you go ahead and submit. Now when that is done, you go to manage vouchers, and then here we do the approvals or the payments you are going to make. Then go to approve, scroll to the other side, payment type, how do you want to pay, whether in cash, check, select check, enter your reference based on your discretion, then give a second approval, and when you're done you just confirm. That's it.